Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert numbers in your Microsoft Word document. So as we can see, we have this text. If you want to make numbers and you want to add numbers, so select this text and in a home tab you will see this paragraph section. So here you will see this numbering. Create a number list. Click the arrow for more numbering formats. So firstly, click this drop down and you will see this format and style of numbers. Like number alignment left, select it. And here guys, you will see this styles. And also guys, you can change list level like this. You can define new number format like this. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not.